In the quiz, I was supposed to find the average value for the cosine between negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So what I first did is found the integral right here. The integral of cosine is going to be sine of x. And then I just plugged in these two numbers right here. And I basically found 2. And we're not done yet. So to find the average value, we're supposed to use the mean value theorem, MVT. And this is the equation right here. And what I did is I saved some time by doing that first step. And just to confirm, I did. I input this, that we both know that this shown here is 1 over, 1 over and B and A, which is these two. This would be A, and this would be B. So I'd input and we both know that it gives us this. But these two canceled out, so it ends up being this. And since we already found this right here, earlier we found this. So this was the answer is basically 2. So I just plugged it in here. And it gave us 2 over pi, which is the average value between pi over 2 to negative pi over 2, which makes part B easier, because in the unit circle, you can see here it's pi over 2, but you can see that 0 and pi 2 pi is right here. They're the same, but I still showed my work, just in case. So like I mentioned, this is the equation right here, and then we know that 1 over B here, 1 over B minus A here is 1 over 2 pi minus 0, which is basically 1 over 2 pi. 1 over 2 pi here. And what I did is, since it's common sense for me, I just, figured it out on my own, but I'll show you what I did right here. So I found the integral, which is the integral of cosine is sine x plus c. And then we try to find the answer here. Sine of 2 pi minus sine of 0. We both know that, it is 1. The sine of 2 pi is 1. And the sine of 0 is also 1, because they're in the same. But 1 minus 1 is 0. So you plug it in here. Right here, you plug that in right there. And then we know anything times 0 is going to be 0. So 1 over 2 pi times 0 is going to be 0. And that is the answer. Thank you.